Meaning of detachable.
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 Detachable. Detachable means that something can be removed or separated from another object without causing damage. For example, a detachable battery on a laptop can be easily removed and replaced with a new one. A detachable camera lens can be removed from the camera body and replaced with a different lens. The advantage of detachable components is that they are more versatile and can be easily replaced or upgraded without needing to replace the entire device. This can save time and money, and also allow for greater customization and flexibility.